Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Brilliant Bankers, where you can expect in-depth classes on exams conducted by IIBF. Myself Jishma, and today's topic is data security. So in this topic we are going to see few points that bank should define and implement some procedures to protect the data or for the data security. So first one is to ensure the integrity and consistency of all data stored in electronic form, such as database, data warehouse, and data archives. Second one is a data security theory seeks to establish uniform risk-based requirement for the protection of data elements. That is, to ensure the protection is uniform within and outside of the institutions. Tools such as data classifications and protection profiles can be used as indicated. Next, third point is data classification and protection profiles are complex to implement when the network or storage is viewed as a utility. That is because of the complexity. Some institutions treat all the information at that level if it were of the higher sensitivity and implement encryption as a protective measure. So for this complexity, in implementing data classification in other layers or in the aspects of an institution, operation may result in the risk mitigation procedures being used. So adequacy is a function of the extent of risk mitigation and not the procedure or tool used to mitigate risks. Fourth point is policy regarding media handling, disposal, and transit should be implemented to enable the use of protection profiles and otherwise mitigate risks to data. That is, if protection profiles are not used, the policies should accomplish the same goal as protection profiles, which to deliver the same degree of residual risk without regard to whether the information is in transit or storage, who is directly controlling the data or where the storage may be. Fifth point is they should be secure storage of media. That is, controls could be include physical or environmental controls like fire, flood protection, limiting access by means like physical locks, keypad, passwords, biometrics, labeling, and logged access. So managing should establish access controls to limit access to media while ensuring that all employees have authorization to access the minimum data required to perform their responsibilities. So more sensitive informations like system documentation, application source code, and production transaction data should have more extensive controls to guard against the alterations. The policies should minimize the distribution of sensitive information, including printouts that contain the informations. And periodically, the security staff, audit staff, and the data owners should review the authorization levels and distribution list to ensure they remain appropriate and current. Next is sixth point. The storage of data is in portable devices like in laptops and PDS like poses unique problems. The mitigation of those risks typically involves encryption of sensitive data, host provided access controls like that. Seventh point, bank need appropriate disposal procedures for both electronic and paper-based media. That is, contracts with the third-party disposal firms should address acceptable disposal procedures. For computer media, data frequently remains on the media after erasure. So that data can be recovered. Additional disposal techniques should be applied to sensitive data like physical destruction or overwriting data or degaussing, etc. Eighth point, banks should maintain the security of media while in transit or when shared with third parties. That is, policies should include contractual requirements that incorporate necessary risk-based controls for restrictions on the carriers used and procedures to verify the identity of the couriers. Ninth point, banks should encrypt customer account and transaction data which is transmitted, transported, delivered, or courier to the external parties or other locations. So taking this into account, all intermediate junctures and transit points from the source to destination. Next is the few other aspects like appropriate blocking, filtering, and monitoring of electronic mechanism should be ensured for like email and printing and monitoring for the unauthorized software and hardware like password cracking software, keyloggers, wireless access points, etc. Next, last point, ninth point. Concerns over the need to better control and protect sensitive information have given rise to a new set of solutions aimed at increasing an enterprise ability to protect its information assets. So the solution vary in capabilities and methodologies, but collectively they have been placed in a category known as data leak prevention, that is DLP. It provides a comprehensive approach covering people, process, and system that identify, monitor, and protect data in use, data in motion, and data at rest through deep content inspection and with a centralized management framework. So this DLP, that is data leak prevention, also prescribed some solutions that include some technologies that facilitates three key objectives. So let's see what is the three key objectives. First one is locate and catalog sensitive information stored throughout the enterprise. Next, monitor and control the movement of sensitive information across enterprise networks. And the third one is monitor and control the movement of sensitive information on the end user system. Bank may consider such solutions if required after assessing their potential to improve the data security. So these are the 3 points which has been prescribed by data leak preventions. These are the 3 solutions. So hope you like my video. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you.